Hi, I'm Andrea Renee, and I'm here to tell you about the Internet Dating Games Global Warming Contest, where you can win a fantastic date for you and your special someone, or maybe just someone you'd like to get to know a little better. In our first contest, we will be giving away a 2-night stay at the very posh New York Hotel in Las Vegas, and 2 tickets to see Cirque du Soleil's Zumanity. Now, I've seen Zumanity, and it is unlike anything you've ever seen before. Be sure to leave your inhibitions at the door and enjoy this naughty fun. Also, each week of the contest, we will be having a random drawing and giving away a slanket. Now, these are really cool. Imagine, have you ever been all wrapped up on a cold winter's night and you had to reach out of your warm cocoon to get that TV remote or that cup of hot chocolate and you just didn't want to? Well, now you don't have to anymore. The slanket is a blanket with sleeves. You can stay nice and warm and comfy whether you're reading, watching TV, working on your computer, whatever. So here's how you play the global warming game and possibly win these great prizes. Go to our website, www.internetdatinggame.net. Click on Play Game, then click on Submit Guess. You will get a questionnaire similar to this. You enter your predictions for each city, and when you are finished, click on the Submit button. The contest runs for 4 weeks. The grand prize winner will be the person whose predictions for any given week come closest to the actual temperature highs. Each week, you have a chance to better your score and possibly win. So go to our website for more information about how to play and our fantastic prizes.